Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Asami, and I'm here to explain about the human genome. Okay, at first, let's know about human genome at first, an introduction about it. The human genome, as you know, every chromosome has the same part of genetically. Thus, we also read about them in the genetic documents too. That we call them with some alleles, you know. But as you know about the introduction, some of that, and let's start review from last week and before that. More of the some eukaryotic organisms' genome are useless. Yeah, they are useless. But just some small little genomes that they are coding protein. Yeah, and that they are important genome.
Light.
Then they are usable genome and useless genome inside an animal or an organism. Not any different, but now let's have some difference between the small animals like basic eukaryotes like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. elegans, and Drosophila melanogaster, or known as the fruit fly. Okay, let's explain about them. There is over 40% predicted between the human proteins, the human protein coding genome, and these little organisms. Now, these names are also difficult to. Why? Because we know in some smaller organisms like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, there is more important genome. Why? Because in this one, that actually size of genome, it doesn't mean important of genome. Maybe as a Drosophila, let's say a smaller example. In Drosophila, it have a bigger genome than Saccharomyces cerevisiae. But important genome of the Saccharomyces cerevisiae is more than Drosophila melanogaster. Then, complex isn't mean usable. Yeah. It's really basic part of the two last week, but now it's about a review about last week. Now, let's explain about some genome functional inside this beautiful organism, beautiful and a small eukaryotic organism. Okay, now we have some basic process that they did always inside each cell of your body. And they are all by the genome function of proteins, like transcription, as you see, translation, like in ribosome, have protein and nucleotide both, or protein trafficking. You know protein trafficking. It's the basic and important part of last week. And also conserved proteins. That also this one is have a little several questions on last week. But let's explain clearly about the aspect conserved protein function. Conserved proteins are some amino acids that is saved from another factor. That they maybe they digest them or make them do some reaction. But why they save? They save from what? They save as a package. You can use an important way, like for example, in the cell division, we can use one of the uses in the cell. Okay, now this part is just rigid. Okay, and now let's explain about bigger organisms. We know the similarity and difference between the human genome and these simple eukaryotic cells because they are really simple. Now, let's one step into the front. bigger organisms like animals, like dogs, cats, or birds, then we can see more similarity. Then let's explain about an example. It's really same to us in market, but it's at the by the way next page of the book, I think. But let's have an example of it because it may be a little useful. Monkeys have a very similar genome to the humans, but it doesn't mean the genome works exactly like humans. That's why have a difference. And also, that person have a different genome between humans and monkeys that are factors to make us different. And now turn it off so you can focus on me. Focus. Okay, now it's turn now. Hold on a moment. Then, it's the detail and everything. Where we are. Okay. Now let's explain about the similarity small organisms and have more difference. Like what? Like bird, dog, have 4 legs. No, but not. Actually, they are vertebrates. And as you know, humans and dogs or cats or I don't know, birds, any other vertebrates, they are as a club. And in this club, it's over time, but let me say, all of these vertebrates and their genome have the similarity between us. That's why they have same shape, same organs, because the genome are the factor to build the organism's body. Yeah, it's over time. And thank you for your attention. I hope it's useful for you. Bye-bye.